Here we have our unit circle, which shows all of our special angles from 0 to 2 pi in radians, from 0 to 360 in degrees. Remember, on this one, since it's a unit circle, the radius is 1, so cosine of your angle is going to equal to x. And then y is the sine of your angle. And then if you want to find the tangent of your angle, you're going to take y divided by x. Now, it's periodic, which means it repeats. So if I look at the cosine of 480 degrees, notice that's more than one rotation around, isn't it? So first off, if I take 480 minus 360, I get 120 degrees. So the cosine of 480 is exactly the same as the cosine of 120. So if I look at my unit circle for a cosine of 120 degrees, so here's 120. Cosine is my x, so it's negative 1/2. Notice on this unit circle, I've also got that mnemonic device to help you remember which one's positive, which one's negative. All science teachers are crazy. So in the second quadrant, cosine would be negative. Now let's take a look at the sine of 11 pi over 4. First off, I notice 11 pi over 4. Once again, that is more than one rotation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 2 pi, or I'll subtract multiples of 2 pi until I get an answer between 0 and 2 pi. Well, I want a common denominator here, don't I? So to find my common denominator, well, my common denominator is 4. So my first one doesn't change, 11 pi. And then this is over 1 right now. So I have to multiply by 4 to make my denominator 4. So it'll be minus 8 pi. So I get 3 pi over 4. In other words, the sine of 11 pi over 4 is going to be the same as the sine of 3 pi over 4. So then if I look at my unit circle, which you will memorize these as you get more involved just by using it so often. So here's 3 pi over 4 right here. The sine of that is in the second quadrant, sine is positive, so it's the square root of 2 over 2. That's the exact value. So we're going to use the unit circle to find the exact value. Besides having the unit circle in your seminar sheet, I've also put the unit circle in Schoology for you. So if I go to Unit 9, Lesson 4, get back there. Okay, notice you got a unit circle right here. So in this one's a little bit bigger. It's in color, so maybe you want to have that one and print it, or just use the one off your study guide. It really doesn't matter.